Manufacturing plants rely on a broad range of rotating components and equipment. Collaborative robots are enabling the automation of repetitive tasks and improvement of productivity. However, cable communication to the end effectors on the robots limits the flexibility and creates complex deployments. CoreTigo's IO-Link wireless technology eliminates the need for cables in the most cost-effective, reliable, and simple manner, and designed to fit a variety of end effectors such as grippers and vacuum pumps. Other rapidly rotating components such as CNC machine tooling cannot communicate data in a reliable manner while in motion. CoreTigo's IO-Link wireless solution is designed specifically for these harsh environments. Wireless communication can be integrated inside rotating machine components, thus enabling an end-to-end solution for analytics and predictive maintenance, safety improvement, and operational excellence. CoreTigo, unbinding the industrial space.